Hey guys, this is a quick video to show you how to shampoo the inside of your car at home. Here I have the Bizzle Little Green. This is like a spot cleaner machine, and that's the solution or the stain stuff which goes inside the containers here. Now, quick check. I noticed this particular one I have. It's really worth having it, I'm telling you, because you can use it at home or even in the car. Spot removals, and I'm telling you, this completely refreshes all the carpet inside and also all the fabric inside the car. Okay, so the one on the left here, this is where you pour the soap solution. The good news is this is concentrated, so you need to add just a little bit of that and more water. That's good news, so you're not using too much of this. So that's where it goes, and this side is the reservoir to collect all the dirty water. I'm going to show you what this little one can do and how much of dirt and crap can collect on this once I'm done. Now, to fill the water is simple. You just have to pull it up. There's an opening at the bottom here, and there's an arrow mark which tells you how much soap to fill and how much water to fill on this one. Pretty simple. Now, just going to take this off. So you can see here. So there is a trigger button right here. Well, my thumb is every time when you turn on this machine, and when you push that trigger button, it releases the soap through this area like a jet. And here's a brush, which you can use to scrub the carpet. It's very handy. And this end over here, as you can see, that's going to vacuum all the dirty water out of your fabric inside your car. I'm going to do a quick show on how this is done. Okay, before we get started, here's some quick tips. It's good to have one of these hard bristle brush. I know the handle comes with its own brush, but it's better to have this because to reach some of the corners inside the carpet, some of the areas are going to be a little difficult to get into. Now, one thing you need to do, please vacuum before you shampoo. Very important. I used a HEPA vacuum, and you can see how clean the carpet is. But it all looks clean. It's deceitful. But once you are going to use the shampoo, you're going to know how much of dirt this is going to pick up. All right, now what I'm going to do, you can see here, so that's the push button. There's a little bit of a soap left here. I need to fill it in for sure. I'm going to turn this on. You can see here. And right here, you see, I'm going to push the trigger button, and you can see, hopefully you'll see, it's going to spray the soap. There we go. Make sure to go back and forth. Get a good layer of soap solution sitting on here. I mean, you can use a brush which is in here, but this is where this comes in handy. I'm going to go and give it a nice brush. So this is going to lift off all the dirt and dust from inside the car seat. That's it. And then I'm going to restart the machine, and I'm going to, this time I won't use the trigger, but I'm just going to push onto this area, and this is going to suck all the dirty water. Hopefully you'll be able to see it. Restart the machine, and you're going to see here, you got to give it a nice press, and there you see that the dirt coming out. You see it? That's going to be all vacuum. One more. There you see that? I'm going to go back and forth. Apply a lot of pressure. Don't use the trigger. And that's all you do. And then let the sun dry it up. And I'm going to show you when I'm done fully how much of dirty water is collected in this area. When I'm going to done all the carpets, let me show you how dirty this water can get. All right, hopefully this helps you to clean your own car inside. I'm telling you, use the right one. Just buy the same Bizzle solution which is recommended. I'm telling you, it takes away all the dirty smell. Your car's going to smell like fresh and new. All right, good luck guys. All right, here's another view to see how much it can pull once it's sprayed. So I'm just going to apply pressure, and you can see right there, there we go, gone. All right, it's time to refill the soap on this container. And again, as I said, this just pops out. can see it just comes off. Tilt around. Simple. Just unscrew this and then pull it out, and then you're going to pour the soap solution first. I'm going to show you at the bottom. Hopefully you can see it. Oh, right there. Right at the back. Alright, so there it says that little dash. That's the level of the soap. So that's all you pour. The rest is all water, right? So you can imagine how concentrated that is. So once you fill it in, that's it. Pop that back in, and then you are good to go. Alright guys, the cleaning is done, and let's see. Now that's a reservoir I told you collects all the dirty water and all the dirt, which is being sucked through this pipe in here. And I'm just going to snap this button on the top. Just take this up, and you can almost hear at the bottom here. I'm just going to pour it down. And look at all that stuff. This is after vacuuming the car with a HEPA filter and a HEPA vacuum. And that's all what the shampooing is done and removed how much of dirt here. That is a lot of junk. And I see still a lot of junk at the bottom here. Now there's one more trick here I'm going to show you. I'm just going to put this back. So usually once you empty this, don't think it's all done, because there's so much of stuff still sitting on this tube. So my suggestion is just plug it in one more time and then turn on the machine, and then have a bucket of water, and once you turn on the machine, just insert this head into the water. And what this is going to do is it's going to suck the water through this nozzle, and it's going to clear out all the stuff which is remaining in the tube. I want to show you now. So you can see here it's inserted, and I'm just going to turn it on. Take a look at that. Oh, see that one? So you can imagine, this is one more time. This is all the stuff which is remaining in the tube, which needs to be cleaned out. Look at all that, huh? Look at all that dirt. Remember, this is all sitting in your car, even after you vacuum them, and this is all you're gonna find. So hopefully this helps. Try to get these little ones. They're not so expensive. On a good sale on Canadian Tire, you can get this for about $60, but it's worth it. You can clean like a pro, I can guarantee. Good luck.